Hi everyone, it's Nelda. I hope you're having a super fantastic day and I hope everyone is happy and in good health. I have another journal to share with you and I call this Faith Journal. I use the name band from Tim Holtz and it says encourage your hopes, not your fears. It has 4 signatures. I decorated the back with this beautiful burlap and the spine with this very nice lace. And then for the front cover, I made a collage using the digital printout from Calico Collage. And then the closure is this pretty lace in peach color. This measures 9 by 6¼ in inches. So let us take a look inside. The inside front cover has a pocket and these journaling cards. And then for this big card, I used the ledger paper and the scrapbook paper. For the inside pages, I used several paper pads in my collection and decorated some pages with washi tape. I also used the printout from Purely Personal Gifts. And this has this beautiful Bible verse. This is a music sheet. And then I made some tucks. And this craft paper is from Papa Melroti. I also coffee stained some paper, and this is another printout from Purely Personal Gifts with Bible verse. Another paper from Papa Melroti, and then I made another pocket and made some tags. I left them blank, but I decorated them with flowers and seam binding. I believe this is from Ephemeris Vintage Garden. And then graph paper. This is from Pinterest. And more pockets with journaling cards. I did a lot of stitching and left the thread long. Another beautiful paper from Purely Personal Gifts. This is from Papa Melroti again. And then this is a pocket, and then inside are more journaling cards. For this page, I made some collage, and these are photo mats. And then for this pocket, I have here guest checks and graph paper on the back. Again from Pinterest, graph paper, another pocket or tuck, and then I decorated this tag with seam binding. Beautiful lace for a pocket, another craft paper from Papa Melroti, so you can journal on the back. So there are plenty of inserts and journaling pages. And the cardstock that I use are really pretty. This is a belly band, more craft paper. And this is a blank card and another tag. These are vintage cards on multiplication. And inside this envelope are pages from an old notebook. And I have here more coffee stained paper, music sheet, more tags. This is the parchment paper, and this pocket again is with this beautiful lace, and I have here more journaling cards. These tags can be photo mats. And then another envelope, and inside are more notepads. This is a glycine bag with tags, and I decorated the tags with flowers and seam binding. I apologize for the noise in the background. I am filming this very close to an open window and it's very busy outside, but I don't have any other space to record this, so again, I apologize. And then this is a booklet for more journaling. So again, lots of materials to journal on. This is another pocket with pretty lace. And then another tag with pretty flowers and seam binding, craft paper, another tag. It says, "Find beauty in everything, grow a happy life." And that's the end of the signature. This is a beautiful printout from Calico Collage. Another tuck and a tag. This is from Purely Personal Gifts, more photo mats. Again, paper with Bible verse, more inserts. And some more pockets and tags. And again, more tags. And then it says here, "Hope your day is wonderful." On this page, it says, "Take time to stop and smell the roses." This is the inside back cover, and I have here some vintage music sheets. This can be used for collaging or decorating the tags, and it can also be used for other projects. And this is the full envelope. This journal is made of the 9x12 yellow envelope decorated with lace, fabric, and burlap. And the spine is reinforced with tyvec. So this is a pretty strong, sturdy journal. And there are two ways to close it. You can do the tuck in the front, like so, or you can do it the other way and do the tuck in the back, like so. There you have it. This is what I call faith journal. It can be a devotion journal, gratitude journal, or Bible journal. It can be an everyday journal. And again, it will be listed in my Etsy shop. So thanks everyone for watching, and I hope you have a blessed, happy day. Bye now.